Hello guys, this is Uno Gaming here, and back with some more Farcry Primal. And today we're gonna be finishing this mission over here. And while I was gone, I was just upgrading some stuff. I was hunting things, upgrading things, mainly my weapons and stuff like that. And yeah, and if y'all saw, I uh, also posted a vlog yesterday on my second channel, which I been had like a long time ago. So if you watch those videos, those videos that I had a long time ago, it will make you feel cringy as crap. I was showing my friend, um, about my second YouTube channel, and I showed him this like first video I made. That video, it made me cringe so much. It was so cringy. I just felt like, okay, how did I get up here again? Yeah, I went up here. I probably won't be making like gaming videos well, actually, I'm actually gonna make never mind. Actually, I'm just gonna already say it. Okay, let me make sure. So I don't like the water that much. Why did I do that? My delicious thing. What I was saying. What the heck was that? It was a deal in the ditch. But I was saying, I am going to be gone till Wednesday. So I'm going to be gone till then. So I'm going to be making pre-videos so that y'all will still be able to watch something on my channel. And so yeah. Man, why is this dude so far away? Am I even going the right way? I don't even think I'm going the right way. It's just kind of pissing me off a little. Now it's nighttime. Okay, let's just hurry up when we get there. Get out the way. I like how I just hit the goat. Yeah, I just say get out the way. Dodge those bullets. Oh, I need a deer. Whatever, just forget about it. Just gonna forget about it. There we go. Okay, who's here? Finally. Let's get on. Diggity, diggity, diggity. Wait a minute, what was that song? It was something like, now get something ugly. Please don't be clumsy and fall down in water. Winja, welcome. Oh, is this a party for me? Is this a party for me? I love parties. Oh, it's for this one. What's up, dude? Need help? How are you supposed to do that? Stop water from rising. What? I'm like, set her on fire or something like that? Okay, just get it. So I gotta go like up to it. Place. Wait a minute. That ain't fair. How's that fair? Get off of me. You don't know me like that. Place. Oh, sorry dude, you gonna die already. I can't help you. I was shooting at something the whole time thinking that was hope. Air. Got some air. Okay, go back down. This might be... Okay, you're just gonna die. You're just gonna die. Sorry, you just dead. Have to restart the mission. He's dead. He's dead. Failed. Dollar died. I wonder how he died. So sad. We're gonna miss you, buddy. Not really. I'm sorry. I'm evil. Get out the way. I'd rather sit here. Okay, there you are. I'll talk to you like it. I'll get back to you when I kill this freaking fish. There you go. Alright. Yada. Fit something. Me sitting here like an idiot, think I had shoot stuff up in holes. Wait a minute, I take that back. Had to. Nah, never mind. I think I said the right thing. Air. I'm supposed to plug that. You asking for the impossibles, idiot. Looks like that. Throw a rock over here. Hurry up. 3. What? So I just magically fly up and do that? Wow. Wow. This game is amazing. Imagine fly up.
Winjai, da baram. Sa krauhadan da winjai, da squati balhasa. Da mari, quai da shwada mari. Shaja shwadam quaifa. Castilla, Manchester.
Girl, don't give me that look. I saw you, girl. Gave me that look. Don't ever do that again before I smack you with me. I mean, well, I take that back. I don't know why I said smack you with me. That's ain't even a word or sentence. I don't think. It's smack. No, it ain't. No. I was correct. It ain't. You try to get fine, rare resources. Just, I really need some rare. There's some rare things I really need. Okay. Next mission. Talk to dog. I'm going to continue with dog. Okay. Remember when I had my brother up here playing with me on Mortal Kombat X? Well, me and him we be playing this game. Whenever I'm not making a video or if I ain't playing, he plays. And he beat it the game today. So there's actually an end to the game. Talk to Dollar. Whatever your name is, I don't give a crap.
Tuarshi kapal puri shwapa. Charge mi shaha. Nada mariwalha. Sarta guarwai.
Is that all you gotta say? Alright, if y'all can't see the words, I'm finna start reading them to y'all, okay?
March.
That little kid just spying on him. Like, ooh, what's that? What's he doing? Ooh, I'm gonna tell him. I'm gonna tell him. Alright. Open up. Knock. Soft blood. He's yelling soft blood. Do something again. I dare you to. Skull, fire, burn. Don't do it. Don't do it. Open Doll's head to cool skull fire. That's one crazy dude. Da stands with Taha, Taka, Turka, or whatever his name is. I don't know how to pronounce my name. Not my name. Skull fire sleeps, never gone.
Nakwaita haita. Charge.
Head holes give small fix. Udon camp has big fix. Bone dust.
Udam. Chartasu. Majish yaka. Shas. Kanhi. Tuta. Shas.
I find you bone dust. If me reading this out to y'all makes y'all makes y'all kind of weird out. Should I think? I think I'll continue with. Well, there is. Like, I don't get that much time in here to try to do this. I don't want to try to make it into a multiple. But let me see what's going around the village first before I decide. You are the Winja that called Beastmaster, the one who walks with the beast. Many speak of you. Oh, this dude down here. I just need that one more cave bear skin. Many Winja talk of Fistman and his tame beast. What's up, little kid? What's up? Skipping stones. Why is it stones? Stones. That don't look like you skipped it. That look like you more through it. Man, people around here, weird ways of having fun. What I need from you? I need some more self stuff. I think I finished her off. Already. Let's see about this dude. Read. It's kind of hard. Like, because I got the rare dude. I got the rare black lion. But it's like I've been sitting over there where the cave lions are, and it's like very hard to try to find them. Not saying because they're black and all. Not trying to be racist. Yeah. Not saying that he's black and all. But it's kind of hard trying to see them. And it seems like they barely appeared during the day. Man, I'll be trying to follow me, dude. I'll beat you up. I'll wreck you. Okay, what? More, see, I need like lots of, I need 2 rare south stone to complete this. Need 1 rare south stone, whatever. I need a leopard skin. I need rare south stone, and yeah, I just need 2 badger skins there. I just need to find that 1 cave bear skin. Alright. This seems for the last remainder of the episode. I've been trying to find I'm going to try to get that skin. Cave bear skin. or I might just do it off. I'm guessing I'm just gonna end the episode right here. Alright guys, this is Emo Wolf Gaming. See, I hope you liked the video. Hope you subscribe for more of me in the game. Go check out my second channel. I don't know why I linked that up. Idiot. But I was saying, go look at my second channel, Emo Wolf 2. Capital E and capital W. Peace guys, and see you in the next video. Alright.